Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Christian and I will be doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing today. First thing I received is the Ahava Hydrating Cream Mask, and you can actually leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes or you can use it as a sleeping mask. So that is pretty cool. The next thing I have is the Pure Lease Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer in SPF 30, or in SPF 30, with SPF 30. Then I got these favorite brushes, and they are really cute. They look like crystals, and I really like them. And then something I really like, I shared my two favorite whatever. The Balm Cosmetics in the Balm of Your Hand palette. I absolutely love this. Like, I love all the colors, everything. This is what it looks like. You get 4 eyeshadows, a highlighter, a bronzer, and 3 blushes. And these two, I think, yeah. These two, you can use this eyeshadow too. They are actually called a shadow blush, but this one is a staining blush, so I don't recommend putting it on your eyelid. And this, I love. It is Suva like illuminating drops, liquid chrome illuminating drops by Suva Beauty. You can put this in your lotion, like your body lotion, just like a couple drops in your body lotion, and put it all over your legs, all over your arms, whatever. It is amazing. If you're out in the sun, you literally glow all over. And it don't matter. You can literally shower and exfoliate twice. And for some reason, this mess does not come off. It does not come off. Like, it'll start fading away, but it does not come off completely. But I guess it's just how glitter is. But I love this stuff. And it's like amazing for highlight. Hang on, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I'll show you a blink. Y'all, literally. That is a blinding highlight. Blinding. I love it. It is amazing. I seriously love it. And then I actually did an add-on. Not shocking, huh? But I got me an add-on, and I got the ColourPop lip palette. Also, I'm sorry if y'all can hear children laughing in the background, but that's that mom life. I mean, they're always there. So I got this, and all I could see whenever I saw this was fall. This is the perfect fall palette. There are burgundies, there are browns, there are yellows. Like, I mean, really fall. And that's what's coming, and I love it so much. And literally, there are a couple of these swatches, and I love this palette. It is so cute. I love it, and I paid $12 for that. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Also, I almost forgot to tell you guys. So, Ipsy has come out with a new box. Who has seen it? It is the Ipsy Ultimate. Yep, Ipsy Ultimate. So, they're like, I don't know. Like, it is pretty cool. You get 12 items. You get 8 full size, 4 deluxe, and a makeup bag for $50 a month. Yep, $50 a month. That's kind of pricey. Pretty pricey, actually. But $50 for all of those items. And I signed up for it. So, I'm going to see if it's worth it. If it is, I'll keep it. If it is not, then I'll probably just stick with my Ipsy Plus. But I am very excited for the Ipsy Ultimate, and it comes in October. So, let me know in the comments down below, are you signing up for Ipsy Ultimate? Because I'm pretty excited for it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next one. Oh, and don't forget about my giveaway on my BoxyCharm video. So go back to that, look for that video, because I'm doing a pretty decent BoxyCharm, or giveaway on my BoxyCharm video. Bye, guys.